kids, welcome back. Now today we learn its beautiful colors, and these have lots of colors. Now let us we learn. These are pencil colors and beautiful. This is baby pink. It's yellow, black, sky blue, indigo, and this is orange color. Now blue, brown, deep green, pink, green and red color. Now let us start our work. Let's see these so much beautiful colors. Now we'll start the coloring in a round. This is round square shape and we use a neon color. This is a neon color and we draw the outline of round square shape. This is round square shape and we draw the outline of this with the color of neon color. It is indigo color and we draw the outline of cylinder shape. This is indigo color and we draw the outline of cylinder shape. We use a sky blue color for the moon shape. We use a sky blue color for the moon shape and we use a pink color for the hexagon shape. Hexagon shape. Now let us use the blue color for the cube shape and we draw the outline of cube shape. We use the blue color for the cube shape. We use the yellow color for the cloud shape. This is the cloud shape. Cloud shape. We fill the round square shape with the color of baby pink. Baby pink color. We fill the round square shape with the color of baby pink. We fill the cylinder shape with the color of orange. Now we fill the moon shape with the color of yellow. We fill the hexagon shape with the color of indigo. Now we fill the cube shape with the color of red. Now we fill the cloud shape with the color of brown. This is a cloud shape. Now let us learn with me. This is round square shape, cylinder shape, moon shape, hexagon. This is cube and cloud, and the color is neon with baby pink, indigo with orange, sky blue with yellow, and this is pink with indigo. This is blue with red and yellow with brown. This is black color. Today we learned the shapes and color, and thank you for watching. We meet in next video. Please share, subscribe, like my channel. Bye bye.